Oh,
for the renewal. Whenever you give me the card details, you had some glitch in your calls and some voices are there in. That's why I can't get the card details.
oh, I don't know why you can't get the card detail. Okay. So
Okay, can you please help me with the 16-digit long card number?
16 digit. Yeah, we'll. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, I'll get the card. Then give you the card number.
Okay. So just please don't make that voice.
What
Like
voice?
glitches voice.
Well, I'm not making any voice.
Just
I'm
do
talk.
one thing for me.
I
Mr.
mean,
Hussain.
I am talking to you with my normal voice.
Yeah, but whenever you give me the details, there
Yeah.
is always some glitches like like that.
Ow, ow. Oh,
Yeah, some voice. So
oh.
I can't hear the details properly. So please give me the details proper way. In proper way. If you don't want to give me the details, it's no issue. Okay?
Well, I am giving you the detail, but I don't know why you keep calling and say you don't get it. I don't understand. Then the line,
Sir,
then
just
the
grab the card in your hand.
yeah. Now I've got it. Yeah.
Sir, can you please help me with the expiry date?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll give you the expiry date now. Yeah. It's 12.
Mohammed
She doubles gone again. She might return. Let's wait and see.
Husband. ده هو يزيد مش قضية. husband number وين دونا.
Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Mr.
كده
Mohammed. Again, that
بس
voice
أنا
comes
Felix ويتا.
from your side. Okay? So please tell me, can you help me with the expiry date?
Yes,
وين يسونا.
12:25.
وين يلعب.
So again, you didn't get it.
Okay.
It's 12:25. I know you didn't
Okay,
get it.
let it be. What
Okay.
What is the CVV?
Oh.
Yeah, it's
Can you please flip the card?
yeah. I can see the CVV. It's she's gone. She might call back. Let's wait.
Aslında gidiyor bu. Anne konuştu.
Wait.
Abi Felix ويتا.
Wait.
Abi Muhammad دمناي.
Yeah, she's calling back.
ما من يسين يدمكو.
Yeah, hello. Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Mohammed. What is the CVV? 3-digit number?
Yes, and I think you've got it by now. I think
Hello?
yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah? So what is the 3-digit number?
Yeah, it's I already read it. It's she's gone. Oh, بعد
না,
Oh, শেষ করে।
আমরা ফাস্ট ফোন হইব
ওই তো না আমি দেখুন
না
Come here. Baba, I don't know. Baba.
আমি গো আগে করে শপিং আছে রেন করো ওই মামা ডাকছে
Come here. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Yeah. Didn't you get it? Oh,
Sir,
yeah.
can you please stop that voice?
Nothing.
That voice?
What voice? I'm talking to you with my normal voice. You know, so
I want to renew the contract. Just tell
What?
I have no issue.
What? No
Okay?
issue.
If you
You.
don't want to delete the contact, I have no issue. But just stop that point.
I don't know what voice you're talking about because it's I read again and again. Then you say hello, 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 and then the line get disconnected. You call. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Just slowly.
Yeah.
Just can you please tell me the 3-digit number?
Yeah. It's
Wait.
225.
It's 225,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So I know you didn't get it. I'm gonna read it again. It's
And
2.
listen.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah. 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 I'm listening. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's 225, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It's 225. Yeah.
And your 16-digit long card number is 5254560412588802. Is it correct?
No. Where did you get that now? How the hell? I mean, after all that, you missed the 16 digit again.
Can you please repeat the 16-digit long card number?
Yeah. It's 5 2 5
Sorry.
4.
Sorry, 5.
Yeah. It's a 5 2 5 4. That is
Yeah.
yeah. She double's gone. Now she will try her best to get the 16 digit. I thought she's got it by now. The she doubles entertainment this is. Yeah, there you are. Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello, Mr. Mohammed. Can you please repeat the 16-digit long card number? It's 5354.
No, it's 5 2 5 4. Then it's 1 2 5 8.
Listen.
Yeah.
5254.
Yeah. Then it's
So again, you ring that voice.
what? What? Oh, yeah, hello.
Please listen.
Yeah.
What was the second block? What was the second 4-digit block?
Yeah. Second 4 digit. It's, I don't know. Why don't you get it? It's she doubles gone again. Hello. She will return, I think. Let's see. They've been calling me for a while now. Yeah. Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. I mean, I
Yeah,
don't.
Mr. Mohammed.
Yeah, how come
Can you
the
help me with the second block of
yeah
16-digit long card number?
yeah how come the line gets disconnected? I don't get it.
Okay, sir. What was the second block?
The second block is yeah, it's 6.
Sorry. It's 56.
Yeah, that is
5604.
we can. It seems like we can do this all day or what, guys? Yeah. Yeah, hello. How come the line keep get disconnected? I don't get it. I mean,
Sir, listen.
Yeah.
Your second block of 16-digit long card number is 5604, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I read it so many times,
Yeah.
and now, how the hell? Yeah.
Okay. What was the third block?
Third block is 1, 5.
Sorry, 54.
No, it's second block. Which second block? Are you talking about after 5?
No, sir. Third block. It's 1, 2, 5.
Yeah, 1, 2, 5, 8.
1, 2, 5, 0, right?
No, it's a 1, 2, 5. Yeah. Yeah. Return of She Devil. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello there.
Mr. Muhammad?
Yeah, hello.
What was the third block? It's 1, 2, 5, 0.
No, I read so time, but I don't know why you didn't get it yet. I don't get it. I mean,
Sir, from your side, your voice is not clear, okay?
no, I
From
can.
your side, your voice is not clear. That's why I'm always disconnecting the calls.
No, I can hear you fine. I have no issue with hearing you.
I know you can hear me because from my side there is no glitch. From your side, it's always glitch.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, please, can you please help me with the 16 long card digit number, sir?
Yeah, I'll try my best.
So please don't make that voice because now my head is... Hello?
Yeah, hello. I'm not making any noise. It's just, like I said,
Hello, can you please... Listen, Mr. Muhammad,
Yeah.
can you please repeat the third block of 16-digit long card number? Third block.
yeah. It's 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5.
What was the last block?
It's
Sir, your
yeah, hello. Yeah, hello.
card is from Santander Bank.
No, this is
Mr. Muhammad,
hello. This is
the bank is from Santander Bank.
no, it's Barclays Bank.
Yeah, the card is from Santander Bank, right?
No. It's Barclays.
Hello, Mr. Muhammad, can you please stop that voice? Hello?
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, hello. I can hear
Hello,
you.
can you
Yeah.
please help me with the third block of your 16-digit long card number?
Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's the third one.
1, 2, 5, 0, right?
No. It's 1, 2, 3. Hello, who's there? Hello.
Just hold on, Mr. Muhammad.
I don't know what is going on. Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Muhammad.
Yeah, hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Just hold on.
Yeah, okay. Hold on and gone. I think they're trying to figure out the card numbers, few digits missing, so that's the bit that I didn't give them. Yeah, calling back again. Continuous action. Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Mr. Mohammed.
Yeah.
Can you please help me with the account number or sort code then? If you can't give me 16-digit long card number.
Account number and short code you said now. Okay, I'll have to get the. Yeah. All right, I'll give you. What does it different? Does it make? I mean, okay, I'll get the account number and the short code. Yeah.
Yeah, can you help me with the account number and sort code?
Yeah. Do you want the account number first or the short code?
First, give me account number.
Yeah, it's a 50681983. 50681983. I don't think you get it. You're gonna say noise is coming from my end or
And what
something.
is the sort code?
Yeah.
And what is the sort code?
Yeah, the short code is
Hello? Hello?
yeah. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, Mr.
Yeah,
Mohammed?
hello. Yeah, I can hear you fine. Yeah.
No? Hello?
Hello. Yeah, hello.
Hello, can you please click voice, Mr. Mohammed?
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. I can hear you. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, what is the sort code?
The short code is disconnect, call back, disconnect, call back, disconnect, call back, disconnect, call back, disconnect, call back. Yeah. Very well, Pip.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Yeah,
Yeah, Mr. Mohammed, can you please help me with the sort code?
yeah, it's
The voice is not clear. Mr. Mohammed,
yeah.
if you want to not give the numbers, just tell me, okay? I'm not free here.
What? I did told you that I
Please
did.
clear that voice, Mr. Mohammed.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, can you please clear that voice?
Clear. I mean,
If you don't want to give the card or the details, just tell me.
what
I
did
will not call you again and again.
No, I'm giving you the detail, but you keep asking the same question.
Your voice is not clear, okay?
Not clear.
First,
Okay.
please just clear the voice.
Yeah, okay. No, well, I can. She's getting mad, isn't she, Pips? Yeah. So, Pips, that's how. Yeah, that's Return of She Devil again. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Mohammed.
Yeah. Hello there.
Okay, listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen. I'm giving you some details, okay?
Okay.
If anyone calls you from Sky Assured Maintenance, okay?
Okay.
Just ask him password. And the password is 4651. Just take the pen and paper in hand
Okay.
and write password.
Okay. All right. Okay. So wait there. I'll.
Okay. Password is
Yeah. Well, I'm not fully.
4651.
Okay. I'm not fully ready yet. Okay. Wait.
No, sir, I'm giving you password. If anyone calls you from and telling that I'm calling you from Sky Assured Maintenance, and just ask him password. And password is 4651. Okay? How much?
4651, and then this is not password. These are all numbers. So is that and why do we need the password?
Listen, sir.
Yeah.
And if you face any issue in future and some glitch, just call me back. My number is
okay.
018.
Wait, let me write it down then. All right, it's 418. Yeah.
63.
63. Yeah. 44, yeah.
001.
Did you say 001?
It's 0001. Triple O.
Okay, 000, then 1. Okay, and
And my name is
yeah.
Kathleen Williams. Okay?
Wait, I'll write it down then. Yeah, can you spell your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Kathleen
Yeah.
Williams.
Can you?
It's KATHLEEN. Kathleen Williams. WILLAIM. Williams. Okay, Mr. Mohammed?
Okay, got it. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Right,
sir?
yeah.
Yeah. So can you please help me with the short code, please?
Yeah. Again, short code. I don't know why don't you get it. All right. Yes. The short code is 0. Then it's
Sorry. 42.
no. I said
42.
no, not 42. And that's it's a working order anyway. So yeah. I think she's gonna take a break now if she don't call back, and then let her take a break. If she wants to, then they'll call back in the future. Oh no, already on. Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Mohammed?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, what is the short code?
Yeah, it's a 0, wait, it's a 202459. 202459.
202459.
Yeah.
202459,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, just hold on, sir.
Okay.
So your short code is 202459, right?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Okay. And the account number is 50681983983, right?
Yeah, it is, yeah. So finally, did you manage to get it? So I obviously you can hear me, but I think
your short code is invalid. Can you please tell me the correct one?
well, that's the only short code is there. I mean, I can't see correct one. That's all there is.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So listen, your 16-digit card long number is 5254560412508802, right?
No. I thought
So
you.
now your voice is clear. So
Well, yeah. I mean,
it's 52.
I thought you got it by now. I thought you got it by now. Okay, I'll read it again. It's 525456 Yeah, hello. I don't know why can't you.
Yeah.
I mean, when I'm reading it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 5604.
Yeah.
125.
Then
And
it's-
then
Yeah, then it's Thank God. Let the she devil call back. I mean, how many calls do you think I can answer? I mean, yeah. Return of she devil, like I said.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, Mr. Mohammed.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the third block of 16-digit number? Can you please?
Third block now. Yeah.
Third block.
Yeah, it's 1, 2, 5.
Mohammed. Mohammed. Hello? Hello? Mohammed.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, I can hear you. I don't know. Oh, bloody hell, this is getting out of order now.
Listen.
Yeah, hello.
After 125, what was the number?
Yeah,
After 125.
yes, I told you, but you don't get it. You say hello. Then you say on my end this, that. Your end is fine, but I mean I can hear you like I said loud and clear, no problem.
Listen, if you don't want to give the card, just tell me, okay? Because I'm fed up with this.
You're fed up now.
The number.
Look, I don't know why are you fed up, because you see this I read so many times you don't get it. All right, let's.
From your side,
Yeah.
your voice is not clear.
Okay.
Your voice is
Yeah.
so bad.
Okay, I'll read it again. It's 5, 2, 5, 0, 4, 1, 2. And that how for yeah. She devil said she's fed up. She's not. She's all what it is, right? She's getting mad. Is she calling back or she had enough? Ha! She might have enough. She might have enough already. She might have enough, yeah. Seems like it. Or she might call back and because she gave me the password. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is, Return of She Devil. So we had too many returns. Yeah, too many return, Pips. Too many. Yeah. Nice one. She will call back when she feels like. Okay, catch you around, Pips. Ciao.